So, a lot of you still don't understand what I've been talking about with this new circuit that's potentially going to be made. And I'll do a demonstration real quick to show you. When you have a momentary switch pressed to a tone generator, you're going to get something like this. A quick pulse. If you have a latching switch without this new circuit, the tone's gonna stay constant, so it's gonna be like this until you press the switch again off. Then the pulse stops. Momentary switch would be like this. A latching switch will remain constant like this. Once again, say this is the button pressed down, button pressed back in the up position. Now, what this new board is designed to do is to make the latching switches sound for up to 5 seconds, let's say 5 seconds, and then shut off. So it will be something like that. Okay, I just wanted to do a demonstration because I see a lot of you guys don't understand what this whole new board is about, and I'll explain one more time. So a momentary switch, you just push the switch down, and when you take your finger off the switch, that's when it's off. So momentary switch will have a pulse like this. Once again, demonstration, momentary switch. And if you don't have this new circuit, the latching switch will remain constant until you press the switch to the off position. So it'll be like this. Switch off. Switch on. Switch off. Okay, hope everybody understands this. Take care. And have a blessed day. Peace.